In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a Smartsheet. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to recover a deleted sheet, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. It's a simple procedure, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to handle it like a pro. First, let's start by navigating to the Browse panel. You'll find this option in the left-hand navigation bar. By clicking on Browse, you're opening a gateway to your Smartsheets library where you can manage and access all your projects and sheets. This step is crucial because it sets you on the right path to finding the deleted files you're looking for. Once you've opened the Browse panel, the next step is to access deleted items. This is like checking the trash bin on your computer. Just scroll to the bottom of the Browse panel and you will see the Deleted Items option. Selecting this will take you to a dedicated space where all your recently deleted sheets are housed. It's Smartsheet's way of giving you a second chance with those files you might have accidentally deleted, or perhaps removed for a specific reason but now need back. Now, our final task is to restore the sheet. Within the Deleted Items section, you'll want to locate the sheet you need to recover. Got it? Perfect. You have two simple options to bring it back to your workspace. First, you can right-click directly on the sheet and select the Undelete option. This is a straightforward command that will move your sheet back to its original location or a selected workspace. Alternatively, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can click on the sheet and simply drag it out of the Deleted Items section. After that, drop it into a folder or the workspace of your choice. This method gives you control over the restored sheet's new location, ensuring it ends up exactly where you want it to be. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, restoring a Smartsheet is a quick and painless process, whether you're right-clicking or dragging and dropping to undelete. Remember, having the knowledge to recover deleted items can save you from future headaches and provide peace of mind. Keep practicing these steps whenever needed, and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in teaching you how to restore your Smartsheets effectively. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more content on managing your digital workspace. Keep an eye out for our next videos, where we'll delve into more Smartsheet tips and tricks.